Let's dive right into the video.
Don't reach no it.
Yeah, so guys, basically what I'm doing right now, this step here is too big. I'm trying to get like a 1 foot step, so I'm putting a 3 inches brick and then a 3 inches brick here, and after we should have 1 feet here, 1 feet here, and 1 feet here. And we're gonna build up this because we don't want our steps to do no more than 6 inches. So we're gonna have to bed up here to around here to get 6 inches here, 6 inches step down. We want all of them to be the same measurement. This one is way more than this one. Is like, this is the measurement. So this one is 9 and a quarter, and this one here is 6.5. We want both of them, all 3 of them, to be the same 6.5. When a step is uneven, that can cause a lot. You can chip over it and any accident could happen. You want to have all of them at the same height at all times. No.
hope this helped you guys with your next project of building your step. If you have any question, go ahead and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell for our latest and greatest video. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to like the video because it helps to promote it for other people to view it and learn from. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one, and tune in for part 2 of this video, which is coming up within a few days from now. Thank you.